Let's learn how to use the offset function. Here, we have a project tracker and we'll use offset to check the last entry of the tracker. First, select an empty cell. Now, type an equal to sign, followed by the word offset, to insert the offset function. Next, click on the first cell in the task ID column to select it as the starting point. Then, type a comma followed by COUNTA. Type another comma, then select the entire task ID column to specify the range to offset. Close the first bracket, type -1, 0, and close the final bracket. Press enter, and there's your last entry. Copy the formula for other columns. And whenever you add a new entry, this formula keeps updating to show you the most recent one. It's like having your tracker always up to date.